Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to HTML with PDF.co web API using JQuery. Let's start. First, I'm going to show you the sample PDF file that we're going to use for this tutorial. Now, prepare your sample HTML and JQuery code. Once you're done, you may now open the HTML file that you created with the sample code. To start converting, put your API key in the text box and attach the sample PDF file that you're going to convert. The conversion was successful. Click the output link to view and download your output HTML. That's all for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials on our YouTube channel. Just search for PDF.co. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.